EF San Juan is a third-generation custom architectural molding, millwork, and cabinetry company. My name is Eddie San Juan, and I'm a fourth-generation woodworker. I'm our operations manager here at EF San Juan, and today I'm going to show you a tour of our facilities. EF San Juan consists of 80,000 square feet of manufacturing and warehouse facilities. Our first stop today is going to be our main office, which houses our front-end staff that produces detailed shop drawings, quantity takeoffs, templates, field measurements, and all of the tools that make it possible for us to create the detailed products we do in our manufacturing world. The next stop in our tour is going to be our warehouse facility, where we inventory a tremendous amount of both domestic and exotic hardwoods, all kiln dried. We do also have a kiln on site and the ability to dry our own lumber. This building also houses our work in progress and finished products that both we and some of our trusted vendors have produced. As we head from our warehouse facility, we pass by our dedicated maintenance building and our air drying facility, and then head back towards a dedicated priming building on our molding and millwork side that allows us to produce primed moldings. As we enter our first main manufacturing facility, we'll see that it houses our millwork department. Millwork does a lot of the part and block prep for our other areas. They do gluing, processing, and veneer prep here. We'll see that this building also contains our Weinig ripsaw line and Weinig molders that allow us to produce an extremely high quality molding finish. This building also houses a tool room, one of our two on site here at EF San Juan, where we have the ability to produce any custom profile as well as a huge inventory of thousands of profiles on site. As we enter our second main manufacturing facility, it houses two of our CR Onsrid CNC routers. We have 3 here on site at EF San Juan. These routers allow us to produce some extremely detailed and accurate parts on a repeatable basis. And along with the tool room that you'll find in our fleet of CAM engineers for our custom programming, it really gives us a tremendous amount of capability. Our finished millwork area in this building is a very adaptable department. So depending on the workload, they could be working on things from these complex columns you see in the video to curved glue-ups, glazing of doors, and a majority of other items. Our final stop here in the second main manufacturing building also happens to be the final stop for many of our products here at EF San Juan. This is our door shop where many gates and doors are final hardware prepped and hung into their units. So this is the last stop and last inspection for many things before they head to the job site. Our cabinet plant is going to be our final stop on our tour today, and it contains our final CR Onsrid router that assists an extremely capable build department that allows us to make many custom components for our custom cabinetry here on site. We also have a fully conditioned paint booth and paint mixing facility that allows us to make custom paints and stains and produce an extremely high quality furniture grade finish on our custom cabinetry. I hope that you enjoyed the tour today. We love what we do here at EF San Juan, and we would love to be a part of your next project. If you'd like to work with us, please reach out to our team.